When evaluating Bunny.net versus Vimeo Pro from a cost-saving perspective, the key difference lie in their pricing models, incented user base, and also included features. Bunny.net is a pay-as-you-go content delivery method, or CDN, and a video platform geared toward developers and tech-savvy users who want full control over how videos are stored, delivered, and presented. Vimeo Pro, in contrast, is a subscription-based video hosting platform tailored to content creators, marketers, and businesses looking for a more turnkey solution with built-in tools and minimal setup. BunnyNet's pricing is also highly competitive, especially for tools with predictable or manageable traffic levels. Storage costs start as just 0.01 cent or per gigabyte per month, and bandwidth delivery ranges from $0.05 to 3 cents per gigabyte, depending on the geographic location of your viewers. For example, if you're storing 100 gigabyte of videos and delivering about 1 terabyte of content per month to viewers in North America or Europe, your total monthly cost would be around $6, making it incredibly affordable compared to traditional hosting solution. On the other hand, Vimeo Pro charges a flat $20 per month, billed annually at $240, which includes 20 gigabyte of weekly upload allowance, about a terabyte a year, and Vimeo Pros offer unlimited bandwidth with fair usage limits. But you are locked into that yearly cost whether you use the full allowance or not. While more expensive, Vimeo Pro includes a variety of tools like customizable video players, password protection, domain-level privacy, analytics, team collaboration, and video review features, all of which are valuable for creative professionals, marketers, and small businesses.